Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the updated review of Shruthi Hits traffic exchange site. Now it's an updated review video because I already have my first review on Shruthi Hits. There you go. Is it worth it? Shruthi Hits review uploaded 5 months ago. And because Shruthi Hits got some new features updated and its design updated, I decided to record a second video. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Without further ado, let me just log in to my Shruthi Hits account, and I'm not gonna explain how this works. For that, I'm gonna leave the link of my first video in the description of this one. You can check it out. I explain everything there. Now, the first update that that is made on Shruthi is its display. Now, this wasn't like this in my first video. If you already seen my first video, then you know what I'm talking about. And Shruthi Hits also added some new features, such as the promo code. It didn't have this before, but you can copy this promo code now. It's a daily promo code. You can go here on surf code, edit here. I already done this, but just to show you. And it will say here surf 150 pages and you will earn 1 cent and some other advertising goods, credits or text ads or banner ads, impressions, etc. Alright, so this is a new feature, and the other feature is in the surfing area, where it changed the musical notes you have to choose in order to complete the captcha and to jump to the next page. And also during the surf, there you go, guitars now. During the surfing session, some musical notes randomly will appear floating on the screen. If you click on them, if you catch them and click on them, you will earn some other advertising goods. All right, so I'm gonna jump into some results, some other results, because I already shown some initial results on my first video on Shruthi Hits, and then I'm gonna leave this video with this as short as possible. All right, so before I do that, let me just show you. As of now, Shruthi Hits has more than 1200 members. When I joined 5 months ago, it had only 600 and some members. Alright, so it's growing on a daily basis. As you can see here, this week only 26 new members, surfing now 14, traffic delivered, etc, etc. So it's growing on a daily basis. And let me just show you some results. And as always, I'm using leadsleep.com. So I've been advertising on Shruthi one rotator link and one landing page. So let's go to rotators and see what happens. This is the link I'm promoting on Shruthi recently. And I have to be honest, guys, in the last couple of months, I didn't surf any pages, not only on Shruthi, but on any traffic exchange site. I wasn't active at all because I had some errands to run, my personal life, you know, etc. So let's see some results here. There you go, Shruthi, real visitors 639, and I've been surfing for the last 3 days, and I already got 3 response. I'm not gonna get what these are. If you already know Leads Leap, cool. If you don't, you're gonna find my referral link in the description of this video. Also, with the referral link of Shruthi Hits is 100% free to join. And the landing page I'm promoting is the other one here. So let's see what's happening here. Just a second. There you go, Shruthi, there you go. Okay, 346 real visitors, and I haven't got any response yet. Well, it also depends on what you're promoting. So I would say, guys, that it's worth give it a try. You can promote for a couple of weeks. Remember, with free traffic, you can never expect results fast. Alright, it takes time and it takes persistence. The important thing is that these traffic exchange sites that I'm reviewing provide, including Shruthi of course, provide a real traffic. That's the most important thing. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this video with that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, you're gonna find in the description of this video the first review on Shruthi, my first video on Shruthi, leads leap referral link, Shruthi Hits referral link. I suggest you give it a try. It's free to join 100%. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this one and also hit the notification bell. Cheers!